Here we go to eat a big meal that we may not be able to walk afterwards. You have to ride the escalators up to eat at Paula Deen's. And there's Paula. So where are you eating?
I'm at Paula Deen's in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
So we rode the elevator up and we got a good view of the islands and the fountains. But I feel like my hubs is so far away.
Yeah, it is a lot away. That's because we need room for all the food.
Yeah. So, what are we getting? The Albany, the Savannah, the Georgia. Got fried chicken, hot roast, chicken fried pork chop, barbecue pulled pork.
Hey guys, how y'all doing tonight?
Good, how you doing?
Good. My name is Josh. Y'all ever been here before?
Yeah.
Welcome back. Can I get y'all some of my drink?
Okay, we know fried chicken. You want to try the roasted chicken or chicken and dumplings or ribs?
Spare ribs. And for the vegetables, we'll have cream potatoes, macaroni and cheese, fried okra, and what did you say, cream corn? Cream corn.
Running gas for you.
Some kind of garlic. They put, is that butter on top?
Yeah,
I don't remember it having that.
Well, I think it had it, but it's got a lot more this time than it usually has, it looks like. Okay, Melissa, are you ready to try the, what was it, cheddar garlic biscuit
Yes, but it has this sauce on top of it that I don't know what it is.
Try it.
Never had the sauce.
See how you like it.
Very garlicky.
Is it? Well, that's good. I actually like garlic, so I'll probably like it.
What's a garlic cheese biscuit? To me, that tastes like a garlic butter.
Okay.
That's it.
Let me
I
give
need a drink.
let me give it a try. Here's my.
What do you think of the mystery sauce?
I don't know. It all depends on the flavor. Let's see what that's like.
You get a picture of mine up close. That's what I'm talking about, the mystery sauce.
Yeah, it's similar to a red lobster garlic cheddar biscuit.
Yeah,
but,
the sauce. Got a little bit of green and white going on there, huh?
But the texture is more like a roll, a lot softer and fluffier.
Are you excited about your meal? Are you excited about your meal?
Very excited.
Which two meats did you get? I can't
I
remember.
got fried chicken and I got spare ribs.
So we got, oh, I hope they bring out wipes.
Hopefully
Okay.
If not, we can ask for some.
I'm not sure how clean this space will be after eating spare ribs. And we'll be so full they're gonna have to roll us down the escalator. When our food comes, we'll video it. Hang in there. Okay, we have the yummy mashed potatoes, spare ribs. What you got over there?
This is macaroni and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Move that thing out of the way. Cream corn, fried okra. These three are mine.
No, this will be
share.
trouble.
We have fried chicken, which we always get the chicken breasts.
Yes, you can request a
This
breast.
is our first time trying the spare ribs, so I hope they're good. We had to get extra napkins. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
I think I'm ready. Don't let me overeat, okay? Not too many refills on the... You almost cheated. Up there licking your fingers. Try those ribs and tell us how they are. Go ahead. Come on, eat that bite that I made you.
I tore a piece off.
Yeah, I almost went in the mouth, so I said, eh. How is it? Is it tender and tangy?
Yeah, really good. You gonna like it. Yeah, we got
All over
sauce.
your mouth. All right, try one of your vegetables. While I sit over here and snack on the fried okra.
Really good, really creamy.
Try one of these. Look at that. I've never had Paula Deen's
I'm not a fan
fried
of
okra, but her breading is really good. What do you think? Is it better than the Smith House? The breading is different. It's got some kind of powder or something in it.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of okra, but that's pretty good.
It's really good. Maybe I'll get you to eat it for long.
All right, Melissa, give it a try.
Okay, I hope I don't make a mess because it's fried chicken. You gotta use your fingers. Oh man, that is so hot. Look how it is goldeny and crunchy. Could you see it? Goldeny. Good as always.
Yeah, really? Yeah, it's always good here. It's one of my favorite places to eat here. And,
Since I'm already, oh go ahead, I'm sorry.
yeah, it's just one of my favorite places to eat here in Pigeon Forge.
Since I've already been munching on the okra, I'm gonna do the mashed potatoes. They're like red potatoes, very creamy. I don't usually eat many mashed potatoes unless my husband cooks them. These are my favorite. I'll sneak some corn in there. I usually don't eat cream corn, but hers is good. Put a little sugar in it. And she probably put a lot of butter. Don't you think?
I think so. Do you think the people can tell we're excited to eat here? Because we love eating here.
Yeah. We're gonna die though, as much food is in front of us.
No, we'll survive this. This is going to be really good.
I always come out here eating too much because we always get seconds of the sides and sometimes the chicken. So,
You ready to eat?
I'm ready. You ready? We've
All right.
already said the blessing so we can dig in.
All right, well, let's see. I don't know if you can look in there, but it's vanilla ooey gooey
You'll
bar.
have you a dessert later.
And it's so moist I can't get it to slide out.
I got the banana pudding and I chose to eat it here because I don't want to carry it around with me to walk around. And it's cold right now. I don't want it warm unless it just came out of the oven. So, anyways,
It has a
let's
mint
eat
leaf.
it. Is it ice cream?
I don't know. I think it's whipped topping.
But it's very cold and lumpy.
Huh?
The banana pudding is like very cold. It's good. Have I not ever tried banana pudding?
I don't know if you had it here before. We used to get the ooey
Ooey
gooey.
gooey.
Yeah.
I think it's good. I'm not gonna eat that. That would have been good in my water. It smells mint.
Is it mint?
You want a bite? Yeah, you do.
I don't know how to do this.
Put the camera down.
Uh,
Our view. It's beautiful, beautiful day. Mr. Nation still finishing up, and he's taking his dessert home with him. And maybe he'll eat the rest of my dessert. Why you hold your hands up?
I have to
It's like
stop.
hot.
I have to stop, but I don't want to because
You
it's
gotta
all tastes so
eat.
good.
It's $19.99 a person, so you have to eat at least $19.99 worth of food. I believe with the ribs, probably.
Yeah, it's really good. So I don't want to
Here,
stop.
have some
I
more
have to
banana
stop.
pudding
Okay, I'll try some.
with that weird topping.
But
So you don't want any more fried okra?
no,
Mac
I'm
and
done, except for
cheese.
maybe I'll eat some of your pudding.
That's his second bowl of mashed potatoes. That's the plate. My plate's already gone. You ready to go down, honey?
We've got a lot of merchandise for sale here in the gift shop at Paula Deen's, and it's downstairs from the restaurant. We've got apple butter and assorted jellies and spices. lots of t-shirts to choose from. The Crazy Chicken Lady and Don't Make Me Pick You. We've got some Christmas merchandise out now, and this is tinted pink. I don't know if I've ever seen that before, but it actually looks pretty good. I like it. Yeah, got aprons over here, and there's some fuzzy chickens, and I don't know what type they are, but I think there actually are chickens that look like that.
Have you seen her candy bars? They're shaped like sticks of butter.
No, I haven't seen that.
I have to come up here. Hey y'all, my butter turned to milk chocolate.
I guess this is milk chocolate. It is in the shape of a butter stick.
Yeah, look, it's got the tablespoons. How many calories? 150 for one little thing. I wonder if it's broke up in little pieces. I just happened to, I was looking around at the pralines and I saw that. Oh, that looks like a stick of butter.
Cool.
I'll say I'm getting butter every day. Cleaning our area up there where we ate. Hey, Mr. Nations.
Hey.
Are you full?
I am very full.
Did you enjoy Paula Deen?
Paula Deen's is a really good place to eat. I highly recommend it, and I
You
will
gotta eat at
probably
least
be
once
back.
a year if you come. Once a year.
Yeah, we
No
eat
more
here.
than that. Too much food.
Yeah, I always go when I eat here, and I'm always full when I leave.
And you still hasn't even had dessert.
And today was actually better than it usually is.
You say
it
that
seems
every
like.
time. No, one time you said it wasn't.
Yeah, one time we got here, and I don't know what was.
It was after
It
COVID.
seemed like an off day. Yeah.
I just hadn't got it back together, though.
But we probably eat here, what, maybe 6 or 7 times.
Yeah, we're sitting here at the island in front of Paula Deen's, listening to the water jump up and down.
Yeah. But if you're ever in Pigeon Forge here around the island, yeah, stop in here and eat Paula Deen's.
Yeah, thanks for sharing our lunch with us. We appreciate it. And for watching our video.
Yeah. And if you haven't already, we appreciate if you would subscribe and
Give us a thumbs up.
That's right.
And we will see you in the next video. Until then, let's live life
Together.
Bye.
Bye.